this particular car, unfortunately, has just been through the ringer. People don't realize that that nose on that car sticks out about almost 27 inches
Yes.
from the front of that car. And you can't see it because it
Right.
dips down so far.
Yes.
So all those things are smashed in the front, and everybody thinks the noses are made out of fiberglass, and they're not. They're
No.
sheet metal.
Right.
And boy, when those things get crinkled up, I'll tell you, boy, it's a difficult piece. I mean, the nose assembly on the Superbird is almost like basically a whole car.
Yes.
There's so many moving parts just in that nose.
Yeah.
So you got the car, and then you have the nose assembly as a separate unit.
Yeah, because it's got the headlight buckets, and then you've got, I think, 100 feet of vacuum hose to make the headlight buckets work. I know when I was talking to Richard Petty a few years ago at SEMA, he said when they first got his Superbird, they went to the local Napa store and got a car antenna and taped it to the front of the wing, of the beak, so we could figure out where the front of the car was.
Yeah.
Because, yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
It rolls down, so you really can't see the front.
No, yeah, and you got one, so you know
Yeah.
exactly what you're dealing with. But yeah, a lot of work, and sheet metal work is tough. So